Welcome back to part 2 to black hole explanation. In this video, we will dive deep into the logical explanation of black hole and situation it forms. But before that, do you know that the closest black hole is approximately 1560 light-years away from Earth? That's 14 quadrillion, 765 trillion, 160 billion kilometers. How long do you think will it take for us to reach there in our fastest rocket? The fastest rocket we have today can reach speeds up to 163 kilometers per second. It would take around 2,860 years for us to reach there. We certainly need to borrow cockroaches' hibernation powers in order to live that long. Another interesting fact about black hole is its size. It can be thousands of times larger than our sun or as small as an atom. If a teaspoon-sized black hole were to be formed on Earth, it would swallow whole Earth in itself. Center of a black hole is thought to be so dense that it creates singularity. What it means is the atoms inside are so densely packed together that their collective volume equals to zero. At the same time, their mass is infinite. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes emit a type of radiation called Hawking radiation. It causes them to lose their mass. Although it is a long process, but this process suggests that a black hole will eventually evaporate into the cosmos. It is believed that black hole is a kind of portal, and the opening to that portal is a white hole, which is the opposite of black hole. Well, that's a topic for another day.